Welcome back to TechVibe Nexus. Today, we're sharing 10 proven strategies to reach 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast. If you're looking to grow your channel quickly, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First up, optimize your channel. Make sure your channel art, profile picture, and description clearly represent your brand. Use keywords in your channel description to help people find you. A well-optimized channel gives a professional impression and encourages visitors to hit that subscribe button. Next, focus on creating engaging content. Your videos should be entertaining, informative, or both. Find your niche and stick to it. Consistency in content helps build a loyal audience. Remember, the more engaging your videos are, the more likely viewers will subscribe. Third, design eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so make them stand out. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and intriguing images to grab attention. A great thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Fourth, leverage social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Join relevant groups and communities to promote your content. Engaging with your audience on social media can drive traffic to your channel and help you gain subscribers. Fifth, consider collaborating with other YouTubers. Partnering with creators in your niche can expose you to their audience. Make sure to choose collaborators whose content aligns with yours for the best results. Sixth, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls to involve your viewers. Building a community around your channel encourages viewers to subscribe and stay connected. Seventh, don't forget to use calls to action in your videos. Encourage viewers to subscribe at the beginning and end of your videos. A simple reminder can make a big difference. Eighth, establish a consistent upload schedule. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to it. Consistency helps keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Ninth, analyze your performance using YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to which videos perform best and why. Understanding your audience's preferences can help you create more of the content they love. Finally, promote your videos through YouTube ads if you have the budget. Target your ads to reach potential subscribers who are interested in your niche. It's a great way to gain visibility quickly. And there you have it, 10 proven strategies to reach 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast. Remember, growing your channel takes time and effort, but with these tips, you'll be on the right track. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TechVibe Nexus, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.